Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number first. Sec theta bracket 1 minus sin theta, second bracket sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Now here two sides, LHS left hand side and RHS means right hand side. Okay. Now first we take LHS and we will prove RHS. Okay. So we write here series LHS is equal to sec theta bracket 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. Now we use different formulae. See, formula for sec theta. Formula for sec theta 1 upon cos theta. Here we write this as it is 1 minus sin theta. Now I will write here this way 1 minus sin theta. Okay. Here 1 upon cos theta and this 1 minus sin theta. Did you get it? Formula for sec theta 1 upon cos theta. So there is no need to write 1. Okay. I have shown earlier, but now there is no need to write 1 upon cos theta. 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now we use formula for this sec theta, same 1 upon cos theta plus, this is formula for sec, then for tan we write here sin theta upon cos theta. Did you get it up to this? Now, therefore, LHS is equal to series 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. This as it is. Here series denominators are same, therefore we write that same denominator cos theta. When denominators are equal, then we add or subtract numerators. Here addition, so we write here addition 1 plus sin theta. Did you understand? Now series a plus b into a minus b, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means we use identity. See here a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square, this identity we use here also. Okay. Therefore, LHS is equal to series 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means 1 is our a. No. Therefore, a square we write here 1 square. This sign minus, this is our b, sin square theta. Okay. 1 square is 1. Did you understand? Then denominator cos theta into cos theta. We write this cos square theta. Did you get it? Now we use identity. We use identity series sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we take this sin square theta to the right side. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to, we take this to the right side, 1 minus sin square theta. Did you get it? Now, instead of this, we put there cos square theta instead of this. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see this, 1 minus sin square theta. Instead of that, we write here cos square theta instead of this. And originally, what is denominator? Cos square theta. Cos square theta upon cos square theta means what is 1, cancel. This is our RHS. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 2. Sec theta plus tan theta, first bracket. Second bracket, 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now first I will write here LHS. See this. LHS is equal to sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now we use here formula. Now formula for sec theta, that is 1 upon cos theta. Then plus formula for tan, sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay. Therefore, LHS is equal to, here denominators are same, so we write that same denominator cos theta. Now when denominators are equal or same, then we add or subtract numerators. Here addition, 1 plus sin theta into this 1 minus sin theta. Now we use this identity, a plus b into a minus b. Same identity we use here, means same to same this. Okay, see here. Therefore, LHS is equal to, series a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Same we, this identity we use here, same to same. We apply that identity. Therefore, series 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now see this identity, trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here 1 square means 1. 1 minus sin square theta we want here. So we take this sin square theta to the right side, so becomes minus. Means cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Means instead of this 1 minus sin square theta, we use cos square theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see this carefully, 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta upon cos theta. Now here denominator, see this, cos theta, and here cos square theta. We can write this cos square theta this way. Cos theta into cos theta. Very simple. So Numerator, denominator, cos theta cancelled. Therefore, LHS is equal to cos theta. This is our RHS. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 3. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Now here we write first LHS. LHS sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now we use here formula for sec theta. What is formula for sec theta? Series LHS is equal to 1 upon, for sec theta, 1 upon cos theta. Then square, sec square, cube, then sec cube theta. Here square. So cos square theta. 1 upon cos square theta. Plus, here formula for cosec. Cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. Then here square, then we write here square. 1 upon sin square theta. Now here series cross multiplication, here plus sign. So we apply cross multiplication. Series sin square theta into 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1 cos square theta upon product of denominators cos square theta into sin square theta. Okay, now we know identity, trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. I will write here 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see this carefully. Now 1 upon cos square, series 1 upon cos square theta, 1 upon cos square theta means what is sec square theta into series into 1 upon sin square theta, 1 upon sin square theta means cosec square theta. This is our RHS. We have proved. Series question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 4. Cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Now here we write LHS. We first take LHS. What is cot square theta minus tan square theta. Now we use trigonometric identities of cot square theta and tan square theta. Series. See here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now we take this plus 1 to the right side, plus 1 to the right side, because here what is this? Cot square theta. We want alone cot square theta. So we take this plus 1 to the right side, then becomes minus. Did you get it? So we obtain formula for cot square theta. What is cosec square theta minus 1? Same way for this, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now we want alone tan square theta, so we take this 1 plus 1 to the right side, becomes minus. Did you get it? Now we use these two identities. We will use both these identities formulae here. Therefore, LHS is equal to value of cot square theta. We write here cosec square theta minus 1, value of this. Then we put sign minus. Then we put value of tan square theta, bracket, because here are two terms, no? So bracket sec square theta minus 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Because of this minus side, sign inside sign changes. Here plus becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. Therefore, remaining, or we obtain, remaining, or we say obtain, we obtain what is cosec square theta minus sec square theta. This is our RHS. Therefore, we write here RHS. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 5. Tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. Now, first we write here LHS. LHS is equal to tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now here tan raised to 4 theta and tan square theta, so we take common. We take common. What is common? The minimum index or degree term, we take common. Therefore, tan square theta we take common. Out of this tan raised to 4 theta, we take tan square theta common. Then what is left? Tan square theta. Tan square theta into tan square theta, tan raised to 4 theta. Here into 1. Tan square theta into 1. Into 1. Out of this, we have taken this outside. So what is left? Plus and 1. Did you get it? Therefore, if didn't understand, then tell me immediately. Did you get it? Now, this tan square theta and this is tan square theta plus 1. First of all, I will show you first theorem, or that is we say identity. I will use trigonometric identity. See here. 1 plus tan square theta, or we write this way, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. For this is our identity. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. This is important identity. Now, what is this? Tan square theta. So we obtain formula for this also by taking 1 to the right side. This is first. We take 1 to the right side. Tan square theta is equal to, take this plus 1 to the right side. Sec square theta minus 1. We use both these formulae for these two. Okay. Now instead of tan square theta, LHS, see here. Now instead of this, what do we write? Sec square theta minus 1. See here. And for tan square theta plus 1, what do we write? Sec square theta. See here. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to sec square theta into sec square theta. Sec raised to 4 theta. This way. Minus sec square theta into 1. Sec square theta. This is your RHS. We obtain RHS this way. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 6. 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. This is our example. Now we take this LHS, and we will prove RHS. Okay, for that I will write here LHS is equal to 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus, we write here 1 upon 1 plus sin theta. This is our LHS. With the help of LHS, we will prove RHS. Now here cross multiplication. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see this 1 plus sin theta into 1 means 1 plus sin theta. Okay, this original sin plus 1 into 1 minus sin theta means 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now here cross multiplication this way, and here also multiplication of denominators, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, we use this identity, a plus b into a minus b. This identity, here trigonometric identities, and there these are another identities, a plus b alphabets and a minus b. Therefore, a square minus b square. Did you get it? We use same. This is our a square means here 1 square. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. Did you get it? Minus sin square theta. 1 square minus sin square theta. Did you get it? Now here minus sin theta plus sin theta cancelled. Therefore, we write here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. 1 plus 1, 2. And we know identity for this. What is? Cos square theta. See this formula for this identity. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we want 1 minus sin square theta. So we take sin square theta to the right side. Therefore, this cos square theta that is at the left side here is equal to, we take this to the right side, becomes plus becomes minus. Did you get it? Means instead of 1 minus sin square theta, we write here cos square theta. Now see this. Now 1 upon cos square theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to, see this, original 2 into 1 upon cos theta means sec theta, and 1 upon cos square theta means sec square theta. This is your RHS. This is your RHS. This way we prove this. Question number 5, prove the following. Example number 7. Sec raised to 6x minus tan raised to 6x is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x into tan square x. Now we take here first LHS, and with the help of LHS we will prove RHS. Now this is very simple and very important example. See this, LHS is equal to sec raised to 6x minus tan raised to 6x. Now we don't know formula for raised to 6, but we know formula for square. Square of sec, square of tan, square of cot, cosec, etc. Sin, cos. But we don't know raised to 6, raised to 6. So first we convert raised to 6 into square. See this. Therefore, LHS is equal to, we keep this as it is, sec raised to 6x as it is, minus, we reduce this tan raised to 6x into square this way. See this, tan square x bracket cube. You know laws of indices. A raised to m raised to n. A raised to m raised to n means a raised to m into n. 2 into 3, 6. Okay, now we write LHS is equal to sec raised to 6x minus, see here we use formula for this. I will show you formula for this. See here, 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Now we want tan square x alone. So we keep this as it is and we take this one to the right side. Therefore, tan square x is equal to sec square x, and we take this plus 1 to the right side. Did you get it? We rearrange terms in this identity or in this formula. Okay, then instead of this tan square x, we put now sec square x minus 1. Did you get it? Now you know about a minus b bracket cube. A minus b bracket cube. Okay, see here. Therefore, LHS is equal to sec raised to 6x. This minus, when minus sign, then always put bracket. Now a minus b bracket cube. A minus b bracket cube. You know this formula? Do you know? If you don't know, then see here. This first term bracket cube. First term bracket cube means cube of this. Sec raised to 6x. Cube of this 2 into 3, 6. Then here minus, so alternate plus minus plus minus. Okay, then minus, because of cube we write 3. Then first term square means sec square x here, then square of square 4x. 3 sec raised to 4x into 1. 1 into 1 means this term again. Okay, alternate plus minus, then here plus. Okay, now 3 first term as it is. First term as it is. We keep as it is. See this. Therefore, now sec square x and 1 square. 1 square is 1. Now plus minus plus minus. 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. Did you get it? This is expansion of this bracket. Expansion formula. We use expansion formula. Did you get it? Now see this. Therefore, LHS is equal to sec raised to 6 x. Because of minus sign, internal sign changes. Plus becomes minus. Sec raised to 6 x plus minus cancelled. Now here, because of minus sign, this sign changes to plus 3 sec raised to 4x. This changes minus 3 sec square x, and this changes to plus. Did you get it? Now LHS is equal to, see here, we take common in these two. First we write 1 here, because RHS 1 is first. So I will write here 1 first. Then see here plus, we want plus. See right side 1 plus. We take 3 and sec square x common. Sec square x, here sec raised to 4x. So we take minimum index common. Sec square x. 3, that number here and here. So we take that common. Now out of this 3 sec raised to 4x, we have taken out 3 sec square x. Then what is left here? Sec square x. Did you get it? Then minus, we have taken outside total, then what is left here? Minus 1. Sec square x minus 1. Okay, therefore we write here LHS is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x. Sec square x into sec square x minus 1. I have written, no, I had written here formula earlier. I have cancelled that. Now sec square x minus 1 means, what was there? Tan square x. This is your RHS. This is your RHS. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 8. Tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we will take first LHS, and with the help of LHS we will prove RHS, or we show RHS. See here, therefore LHS is equal to tan theta upon sec theta plus 1. Okay, now here denominator sec theta plus 1. We take conjugate pair of a denominator. We take conjugate pair of denominator and we multiply to numerator and denominator by that conjugate pair. Now conjugate pair of sec theta plus 1 is sec theta minus 1. Therefore, see here, LHS is equal to, first we write this, tan theta upon sec theta plus 1. Now here we multiply. See this way. We multiply to this tan theta by conjugate pair of this sec theta minus 1 upon, here also sec theta minus 1. Means here sec theta minus 1 cancelled, then we get same again. Did you get it? Now here after multiplication, means conjugate pair, with the help of conjugate pair we multiply to numerator and denominator. After that we keep this as it is. See here, tan theta into sec theta minus 1. Now here a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square, means sec square theta minus, we consider 1 is our b, so b square means here 1 square. 1. You know this. Okay, now we use or apply trigonometric identity for denominator. See here, that identity. See this, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now we take this 1 to the left side. Therefore sec square theta, this becomes minus, plus 1 becomes minus to left, is equal to tan square theta. Means instead of this sec square theta minus 1, we put here tan square theta. Therefore LHS is equal to, series, tan theta into sec theta minus 1 upon, instead of tan square theta minus 1, we write there tan square theta. Tan square theta I will write this way, tan theta into tan theta, means tan square theta. This tan theta cancelled. Therefore remaining sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta is our RHS. Very simple. This is our RHS. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 9. Tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1 is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. Now we take here first LHS. LHS is equal to tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Now we use here identity series a cube minus b cube, this identity. Now a cube minus b cube means first bracket a minus b, here minus sign, so we write first bracket a minus b, second bracket first term square plus product of first and second term, first and second term plus second term square. We will use this identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Here we will use that identity. Therefore LHS is equal to, see this carefully, this is tan cube theta minus 1 cube, 1 cube is 1, no, so see this, first term minus second term, first term minus second term, did you get it? Now second bracket first term square, first term square, first term square plus first term into second term, first term into second term 1 tan theta into 1 tan theta plus second term square, 1 square is 1. Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay. Now denominator tan theta minus 1. Now this bracket and this denominator bracket cancelled. Then what is left here? Series tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Now we use formula for this. See here carefully. I will write this first. LHS is equal to tan square theta. I will take that one here near to this tan square theta because there is relationship between tan square theta and 1. So we take together and remaining tan theta alone. Now see this, we know formula tan square theta plus 1 is equal to this identity. We know this identity. I have told earlier many times, means instead of tan square theta plus 1 we use there sec square theta. Therefore LHS is equal to, instead of this we write sec square theta and this original tan theta. This is our RHS. Question number 5. Prove the following. Example number 10. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now first I will take here LHS. LHS is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now for making this very simple, easier, we divide to each and every term of numerator and denominator by cos theta. Now we will divide to each and every term of numerator and denominator by cos theta. See this. Here I will write sin theta upon cos theta. No, I said dividing each and every term of numerator and denominator by cos theta. Then minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Same way here also at denominator, sin theta upon cos theta plus original sin cos theta upon cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Did you get it? Now, therefore, LHS is equal to, see this carefully, sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta. Cos theta cancelled means here 1. Okay, means minus 1. Minus 1 I will write here at the end. Okay, plus 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta means sec theta. Okay, here sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta. Here 1. No, I will write this afterwards. Minus 1 upon cos theta means sec theta and plus 1. Okay. Now see this carefully. Now here there is the relationship between 1 tan theta and sec theta. There is relationship between these three, 1 sec theta and tan theta. What is that? See here. See this carefully. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is the relationship between 1, then tan and sec. Now we want 1 alone, so we take this tan square theta to the right side. Therefore 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Did you get it? Now instead of this 1, only this, only for this one. Don't write for this. For this one, we put this value here. Okay. Then see this carefully. Did you get it about this? Now, therefore, LHS is equal to, see this carefully, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, numerator as it is. Here tan theta minus sec theta. Okay. Now see this, instead of this we write sec square theta minus tan square theta. Did you get it? Now here we write, see this carefully, LHS is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now here this a square minus b square, we use identity. A square minus b square, I will tell you. Now we see this. We want here sec theta minus tan theta. We want here sec theta minus tan theta. But what is here? Tan theta minus sec theta. But we want reverse sec theta minus tan theta. So I will write this way. I will write this way. Sec theta first. I will write this. So minus sec theta. See, minus into plus, minus tan theta. See this, minus into minus plus. We want this, so we reduce this in the form of sec theta minus tan theta. Did you get it? Then here, see this, plus a square minus b square means sec theta plus tan theta, first bracket, into second bracket. See this, sec theta minus tan theta. Did you get it? This a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Now see this carefully. Okay. Now here LHS is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now here this bracket, sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta common. No? So we take that common. Sec theta minus tan theta common. See this bracket and this bracket common. Then what is left? See here. Sec theta. No? Sec theta, or I will write here first tan theta. Why do we write tan theta? I will tell you afterwards. Okay, I will write this tan theta first. Okay, tan theta plus sec theta. See here carefully. We have taken this sec theta minus tan theta common. Then what is left here? This. And what is left here? What is? If coefficient is not there, absent, then we write coefficient 1. Okay. See here, tan theta plus sec theta, and what is left here? Minus 1. Did you get it? Did you get it? Now see this, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. This bracket and this bracket cancelled. So here 1. Therefore our answer 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. This is our RHS.